Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is tutorial how to lock apps on Infinix Smart 20. Okay, in the first step you can go to the Pawn Master and you can select on privacy and security, tap on it, and then you can see the X height, tap on it, and in the behavior we need to draw privacy password, and I just want to make a pattern like this. Tap on tabs next, and here we have to create a security question. You can make a custom or select any question here, and I just want to make a custom like this for the example. And for the example I just want to make a question like this. Tap on confirm and I just input the question like this and tap next and tap on skip, and then draw your pattern, and you can see the apps icon. You can tap on plus icon to select what app do you want to lock. For example, I just want to lock the Facebook apps and Instagram like this. Okay, just like this, and you will not find the apps on your home screen, Facebook or Instagram, when you lock this app. And if you want to open this app, you can go to the Pawn Master again and you can select on privacy and security and tap on X height, draw your pattern, and you can open your app that has been locked. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.